In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use the mind map feature in Clickup. This tool is fantastic for organizing thoughts, projects, or any information you need to visualize in a more structured way. We'll walk through each step together, ensuring you feel confident in using this feature to its fullest potential. To begin, let's navigate to the Clickup application. Open your web browser and head over to Clickup's website. If you already have an account, you'll need to log in. Click the login button prominently displayed on the home page. Once you've clicked login, the next step is signing into your Google account. Click on sign into Google and proceed by selecting your account. If you have multiple Google profiles, ensure you choose the one linked to your Clickup workspace. This step is crucial for accessing your projects and ensuring all your data is synced accurately. After logging in, you'll find yourself on your Clickup homepage. Here, you need to select a specific list you'd like to work with. Lists are a fundamental part of organizing tasks within Clickup, so select the one that aligns with your current project or workflow needs. Now it's time to view the list. Click on the View button associated with your chosen list. This action will display the different ways you can interact with your tasks, including the mind map feature, which we're focusing on today. To access the mind map, simply click on Mind Map in the sidebar. The mind map view provides a visual layout of your tasks, allowing you to see the relationship between different items at a glance. It's a powerful way to gain an overview of your project and pinpoint areas that need attention. Once you are in the mind map, click on Tasks to start viewing your tasks in this structured format. This view can help identify priorities, set deadlines, and ensure your team stays aligned on project goals. Finally, if necessary, you can rename any part of your list directly from the mind map view. Whether you need to change the title for clarity or adjust it to reflect the evolving nature of your project, this feature is flexible and user-friendly. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through the steps to access and use the mind map feature in Clickup. Remember, this tool is meant to simplify your workflow and enhance your project management experience. With regular use, you'll find it invaluable for visualizing, organizing, and executing your tasks efficiently. Thank you for following along today. We hope you find this guide helpful and encourage you to explore all that Clickup has to offer to maximize your productivity. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Happy organizing!